Hello guys, today we will be continuing the series of encoding and decoding using Python. In the last episode, we made the function which will encode a message. Today we will be doing the opposite by making a decoding function. So let's get started. So now let's test our code. So we will be encoding a message, and the message would be my name is the team of two, and there is an encoded message. We'll be copying it and decoding it using our new decoding function. So we'll be decoding this message, which I'll be pasting, and there we go, we got the original message. So now let's explain the code. The decoding function is pretty much the same as the encoding function, except instead of getting the key and replacing it with the value, we get the value and replace it with the key. We have a function here which does the work of getting the key from values. So that's it for today. See you in the next video. Bye.